Yeah. So in this course, what we will learn about the AWS DevOps. In the AWS DevOps, first we need to learn the AWS. So first we need to learn the Linux, then AWS, then DevOps, guys. So what are the tools we are covering here? So DevOps overview, version control using Git, GitHub, continuous integration using Jenkins, containerization using Docker, Kubernetes installation. What is Kubernetes? Ansible, Puppet, continuous monitoring using Nagios. So I will give you access to you guys. You guys can watch that recording. So what is Agile model? What is waterfall model? And so what are the limitations? Why DevOps comes into the picture? And what are the stages of the DevOps? And what is the continuous integration, continuous delivery? So what are the tools we are using for automate the process? And we will discuss about the AWS. So Terraform, Docker, Ansible, Kubernetes. So we will discuss in this course. Okay. Lavanya Venkat, do you understand, right?
Yeah, I understand, Hari.
Yeah. So I will give you the access to you guys, the recording. You guys can go through it, that recording. You will understand the more about that DevOps. Okay. So we'll
Okay.
discuss about the Docker and the Ansible. Yeah, we will discuss about the Kubernetes also. Okay. Yeah, guys, once again. Yeah, I will give you the access to you guys, these recordings. Okay. Yeah. Yeah. Now I'm starting now. So in this course, what we will discuss? So we will discuss about the Linux initially, then AWS, then DevOps tools. So we will gonna cover you on this AWS, Linux, AWS, and the DevOps tools. So I already discussed in the recording. So and we'll show you the two real-time projects. So one is for Jenkins CI/CD, and the other one is GitLab CI/CD. So we'll discuss two real-time projects. One is Jenkins CI/CD, the other one is GitLab CI/CD. So this is the course content. Okay. So yesterday we discussed about the line OS.
Yes.
Yeah, Chaitu.
Yeah, bro.
Yeah, what we discussed yesterday.
Yeah, we have been discussing about OS, about Linux, different kinds of OS.
Okay, what is OS?
Yeah, it is an interface between user and the system, computer.
Types of OS,
Single user interface or
types
multi-user.
of hardware, and who who created the Linux OS, and what are the so what are the different types of OSs, which OS which OS is we are learning in this course. Yeah, I Lavanya and Venkat. So what we discussed yesterday, we discussed about this. We discussed about these part of the Linux codes. What is that? So Linux codes. So we discussed about the what is OS, types of hardwares. So who created the Linux OS and what are the different types of OSs? So which OS we are learning in this course? Yeah, guys, Lavanya and Venkat. So do you know what is OS?
No, Hari, we don't.
You don't know, right?
You are from non-technical background, so we don't have a minimum knowledge about the OS and the servers.
Okay, okay. What about you, Lavanya?
Mm.
So can you brief intro about yourself? Just small, your name, your working, studying, or completed. Venkat, you?
Yeah, myself Venkat Hari. I'm from Kadapa.
Hmm.
I'm completed my BTech in biotechnology. I'm
Okay,
recently resigned my job in AHA
okay.
OTT platform. I have a
Okay.
totally 6 years of experience.
Very good, very
Yeah, 2 years of team leader, 3 years of associate.
good. Okay, okay. What about
Thank
you,
you.
Lavanya? Yeah,
Myself Lavanya and I'm from Anantapur. I completed my MBA and worked as a customer service officer in ICICI Bank for 4 years.
okay,
And now I have got married and resigned the job with
okay,
6, 7 weeks. We have been last 6, 7.
okay. So you
Yeah.
don't know the basic knowledge about the OSs and everything, right?
No, no,
Yeah,
degree part.
okay, okay. I will give you the access, Venkat and Lavanya. Okay,
Okay.
you guys can go through that video, so you will understand the these topics.
So, Hari, oh, your voice is little low. Can you please?
Now, are you able to understand?
Yes, yes, yes.
Okay, yeah. So I will give you the access to you guys. We have a drive. So in this drive, so every day I am uploading the recordings, guys. Every day. So whatever the recordings, whatever the class done, right? We have uploaded the recordings into this drive, and I will give you the access to you guys. You guys can go through it. So yesterday we have completed the demo part and this part. So you guys can go through it this one, and if you have any doubts, please let me know. I will clarify it.
Okay, Hari.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. So just one second, guys. Where is that guy? So Chaitu.
Bro, yeah.
Yeah. Do you know that guy? Rafi or Mohammed?
Muhammad Rafi? No, I don't know. I have no
Uh,
idea.
One second, guys. Just call him.
Okay,
Actually, I'm trying to reach out to Ashok.
okay, okay.
Okay, guys, I'm continuing the class.
Okay.
Yeah. So yesterday we discussed about what is OS, types of OSs, types of hardware, who created the Linux OS, what are the different types of OSs, which OS are. So we are learning in this course. So we are learning in this course. So which OS we are learning in this course, Chaitu?
Actually, we are learning Linux OS.
Yeah, Linux. Linux we have a different types of OSs,
Yeah.
right?
Yes. Like 2016, 17, and 18.
Mm. So which OS we are learning in this course?
Yeah, we are learning about 2000 CentOS and Ubuntu.
Yeah, CentOS 7, not
Yeah.
Ubuntu. So everything is the Linux. What are the Linux flavors are there, right? So Linux flavors. So if you learn any one OS, it will be easy to learn. Easy to learn all the flavors of OS. All the flavors of OSs. The core commands are the same, but the some of the commands having a different, the naming convention should be different, but the core commands will be the same. So if it is a Linux, if it is CentOS, Red Hat, Oracle, or Ubuntu, whatever the guys. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. So where we install the Linux OS? So where we install the Linux OS? So what this is? This is a hardware, right? This is a hardware.
Hard.
So are you able to interact with this hardware directly?
No.
No.
So how you can interact with this hardware?
Using OS.
Yes. So for that interacting purpose, so for the interaction purpose, we need to install the OS on this server. So which OS on this server? CentOS 7 is installed. So after installing the server, I want to deploy application. I want to deploy a application. So that is a WhatsApp 1.0.jar. So WhatsApp, so 1.0.jar. So we need what we need. So we need to install the a web server, right? Yes, web server is installed. So what are the web server is installed? Tomcat, a web server is Tomcat, a web server is installed on this machine. So once the Tomcat web server is installed, so once the Tomcat web server is installed, so we need to deploy our application, right? So yes, so we deployed our application in the Tomcat web server. So this is nothing but a app server. App server or nothing but the name call it as application server. So right, so WhatsApp application deployed in this server. So WhatsApp application is deployed in this server. But this is so that WhatsApp.jar is nothing but it's a front end, right? So it's a front end. So where we need to store our data and images and videos. So status, right? Definitely we need another server, right? Definitely, and we need another server. So this server is yeah. So this server also we need. So this server also we need, and so we need to install the How you can interact with the server? How you can interact with the server, Chetu? We can install the any of the OS, right? CentOS 7. So again, for the application purpose deployed, we need a Tomcat web server. But for the database purpose, we need a database software, right? So for example, so database softwares are database software. So what are the database softwares? So database softwares are, for example, MySQL, Oracle, MongoDB, MongoDB. So these are the DB softwares. We install the DB softwares. So now, so whatever the data is, so data is uploading our images, right? Images and videos uploading, right? So this is the front end. So this is the database server. So there between the link between those two. So whenever you upload the image or video, it will store it under the database, right? It will store it under the database. So for deploying a application, for for deploying application, we need two servers, guys. So we need two servers. So one is app server and the other one is DB server. So one is app server and the other one is DB servers. Yeah. So this is our environment. For example, so this is the production env. Yeah, so this is the production env. So production environment. So we deployed our application in in the app server. The database server is acting as a storage. Database server is acting as a storage, right? Now you got it. Yeah. So where we keep the servers. So where we keep the servers. For example, you deployed. So you deployed in the server. So where you can browse it, you browse it in the your web browser. Your web browser. So once you hit the www.com, facebook.com or whatsapp.com in the browser. So this is your browser. So what are the browsers are using? Lavanya Venkat Chaito. Do you know what are the browsers are using? Web browsers?
Like Chrome.
Yeah, Chrome.
Firefox.
Yes, Firefox,
Edge,
Edge.
Internet Explorer.
Yeah, these are the yes.
Safari.
So these are the web browsers, right? Here you type it as a https colon double slash www dot web dot whatsapp whatsapp.com, right? So in the browser you are hitting, so Facebook, you're hitting facebook.com or whatsapp.com. So so where the pages comes, right? The main pages same like here. This WhatsApp web page is coming, right? So once you hit in the web.whatsapp.com, you see this. These are the WhatsApp main page. This is the WhatsApp main page. So once you hit this URL, you are getting the WhatsApp page, right? So you are getting the WhatsApp page. So where it comes from, the page, where it comes from, the page comes where it comes from. Lavanya or Venkat, do you know where it comes from?
From server.
From?
Server.
Yes, you good. So from server or the internet, you provided the internet to this So this environment, right? You provided the internet to this environment. So once you hit the www.webwhatsapp.com, so it connected to the wherever the whatsapp.jar, the code is deployed. The code, so this is the code, right? So the code is deployed on the server. So then it comes from the, it's come from this server, the main page, everything. Everything will comes from this server. Everything will comes from this server. Guys, tell me now, what is a website, guys?
www.whatsapp.1.0. Something.
Yeah, Venkat, are you saying something?
www.whatsapp.1.chat something like this.
Yeah, this is the website. So what is www? Chetu, Lavanya, what is www? Venkat?
IP address, I guess.
No, no.
World Web, World Wide Web. Yeah.
So www means worldwide web. So you can search in this page, you can search in this website, in the world wide web. You can search it in the world wide web. So then you searching and it found that so this website is deployed on this server. So web server, and you get the pages from this server. So how you can get the pages? You can get the pages through the HTTP or HTTPS. HTTP or HTTPS. So what is HTTP?
Hypertext markup.
Hypertext transfer.
Yeah.
Hypertext transfer protocol. So hypertext transfer protocol and hypertext transfer protocol are secure. So through the HTTPS, so we can get the pages from the a web server. So this is the a web server to web browser. So this is a web browser, right? A Chrome, Firefox. So we are getting. So if you want to see the, website, definitely. So we need to search it in the web browser only. So web browser only. So what is a website, guys? So what is a website? For example, facebook.com, www.facebook.com. So yeah, so it's coming a index page. It's coming the index page. If you provide the username and password, it will open the your profile page, right? So it will open the your profile page. So once you click this any pages, it will go to that pages. It will go to that pages. Once you click the login, once I click the login, it will validate in the database server. It will validate in the database server. So where the passwords and everything will be stored in the database server. So it is checking if the username password is correct, then it will open the your profile page. It will open the your profile page. Right. So once this is the login page. So once you logged into the once you logged in, then it will open the profile page. So whenever you click this page, it will open another page. So it will open the another page. It will open the another page. So these pages, right? So the pages. So what are the pages are there? These are the number of pages are there. Number of pages, number of web pages are there. So what is a website? Guys, what is a website?
www.facebook.com.
Collection of web pages is nothing but a website. So here the collection of web pages is there, right? So this is the index page means login prompt. This is your profile. This is your so another profile. If you link, if you click that, it automatically go to the another pages, right? So for example, so this is the WhatsApp. So when I click, this is my home WhatsApp. So when I click the status, it is showing the status, right? It is showing the status another page. So if you click the contacts, so it is the communities. So if you click this, these are the contacts, these are the contacts, this is our profile page. So whenever you click, it will open the other guy's page. This is nothing but a collection of pages. Collection of a web pages is nothing but a website. So collection of web pages is nothing but a website. So what is a web page? What is a web page? So what is a website? So website is nothing but a collection of web pages, right? Now you understood. So the website contains a collection of web pages. Collection of web pages. Collection of web pages. So what is a web page, guys? So
Collection
the
of data.
website, yes, collection of collection of programs, right? So what developers are developing? What developers are developing, guys? So
Ports.
one second. Yeah. So developers are developing the so Lavanya Venkat, no worries, guys. Once you watch that recording, you will understand everything. Okay.
Okay.
Just what the so in the layman language, so what developers are doing, what programmers are doing,
They are building the code.
building the code. So what they are doing? So they are building the code. So they are building the code for which purpose? For which purpose they are building the code? For creating the website purpose, right? For website purpose, they are building the code. The same way. So the website is nothing but a collection of web pages. So website is nothing but a collection of web pages. So what is a web page? So web page is nothing but a collection of programs, right? The developers are developing the programs for web pages. So for developing the web pages. So this is a one page. Then for this page, they are creating the programs, right? Collection of programs. So for creating the one web page, so they are creating a web page. They are creating the programs. So collection of programs is nothing but a web page. What is that, guys? Collection of programs is nothing but a web page. Web page. So and so what is a program? What is a program, guys? Collection of lines is nothing but a program. Developers are developing the programs. Developers are developing the programs is nothing but a code. Developing the programs for the web pages. If they are linking those web pages, so that is nothing but a collection of web pages is nothing but a website. So developers are developing the programs and for the web pages. So the number of web pages included, the number of web pages is nothing but a website, guys. Guys, now you understood? So what is a website? So Lavanya, tell me, what is a website? Collection of web pages is nothing but a collection of web pages is nothing but a website. So collection of programs is nothing but a one web page. So if you want to develop a one page, so definitely we need to create through the program. So, and what is a program? A collection of lines is nothing but a program. Guys, now you understood. So what is website? So what is website? Website is nothing but a collection of web pages. So who will build this website? Developer build this website through the form of programs in the code. Guys, now you understood? Yeah.
Yeah.
So this is the website deployed. This is the a website. Website means code. Whatever the programs are programmed that code, right? That code is deployed on the a web server, Tomcat web server. So once it is deployed in the web server, you can see it in the browser, web browser, through the HTTPS. It will get the pages through the HTTPS, hypertext transfer protocol. Hypertext transfer a protocol through the hypertext. Guys, now you understood? So
Yes.
this is your application is deployed. Our application is deployed in the environment. Guys, so where we keep the servers, guys? So does anyone knows where we keep the servers? For example, guys. So for example, I have a thought and I deployed everything in the servers and I keep it in my home. My home, guys. In my home. In my home, I keep it. I bought the two servers and I deployed everything. And so I connected our internet. I connected internet these two servers and so now these are accessible. These are accessible to the internet. These are accessible to the internet because of we are providing the internet to these servers, and I'm providing the a power backup also. I'm providing the a power backup also. I'm providing the a power. So this is the power. So this is the power I provided for this home. Home having the power, home having the internet. So and we kept these servers in the home, right? So the WhatsApp UI everything is looks good. So every day, every day new people signing up this page, 10,000 people, guys. How many people? So every day 10,000 people is signing up, creating their account in the WhatsApp because of the UI, everything, the WhatsApp. They are liking the WhatsApp and they are creating their users in the 10,000 people every day. So it's continued from the 1 week. It continued from the 1 week. 70,000 people is created their own account in the WhatsApp and they are using the WhatsApp daily. 70,000 people, guys. So something like the power is good. There is no power fluctuation. There is no power failures and there is no internet failures in this week. So everything is smooth. So there is no interruption. There is no interruption in the servers, guys. There is no interruption in the website. After 7 days, so every 1 hour, every 1 hour, an hour, power goes down and came back. Power goes down and came back. So the power goes down and came back. So that time, so the here this server is in the shutdown state. So once the power is down, it will automatically go into shutdown state. Shutdown state. So when you hit the application, when you hit in the browser, so the site will be reached, the site will be open, or the site will cannot be reached, guys. Sometimes you are seeing, right, the site cannot be reached.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, you see, right? So whenever you hit this, sometimes it is showing the site cannot be reached. So something like because of the so where we deployed our server, so where we deployed our code in this server, but this server is in the shutdown state. The site, the website is opening or not, guys? The site will not open, but it is showing site cannot be reached. Site cannot be reached. So every 1 hour, in every 1 hour, the people are facing the issue. The people are facing the issue. The site cannot be reached. So they are seeing it in the site cannot be reached. So they are frustrating. They are frustrating every 1 hour, right? Every 1 hour, 5 minutes, 5 minutes, there is a interruption between the power failure. Once power came, so we need to start the server. We need to start the server here. So we need to press the button. So then it will start the application. It will start the application. So something like every 1 hour they are facing the issues. And every 2 hours or every 3 hours, the internet, I have only one power. I have only one power in my house. There is no UPS, there is no generators, only one power. So if the power goes down, the application will goes down. The application will goes down. And again, so we have only one internet. So we have a only one internet. If if internet goes down, is the site is available? No. So if internet goes down, the site will not cannot be reached. I have only one internet backup. I have only one internet backup. So the people are removing their account from the WhatsApp. Finally, how many people are there? There are 10,000 people. So from 70,000 to 10,000 people, they removed their account from the WhatsApp because of there is no stability in the application. There is no stability in the application because of power failure and internet failure. So they are frustrated. The site cannot be reached. Reached of most of the time. So they are removing their account from the WhatsApp. So initially it will be good because of there is no power failure. There is no internet failure in the 1 week. After 1 week, so we are seeing the power goes down, power fluctuations, and the internet internet goes down, and internet goes down and came up. So we are seeing these phases. So that time the site cannot be reached. That's the reason the people are removed their accounts, created accounts from the WhatsApp. And finally, so we have 10,000 people. So this is a big drawback. We need a solution for this, guys. We need a solution for this. So what is the solution, guys? We need a solution for this situation. For these situations, guys. So we need a solutions for these situations. Yeah. So what is the situations, guys? What are the situations you are failing? So you're failing. So there is no power backup here. That's the reason there is no a power backup. There is no power backup. That's the reason the servers are goes down. There is no internet backup. Internet backup means, so I'm using the Actor, Beam, Airtel. So we have a 3 power backups, right? For example, we have a 3 internet backups. So it automatically, we configured it automatically switch if once goes down, other. If another goes down, the other. If another goes down, so it will automatically switch to the others. So this is the internet backup. This is the power backup. Power backup means, so one is UPS, another one is generators. We have a number of generators are there. So once the home power is down, it automatically switches to the backup UPS. So if UPS is down, it automatically switches to the generator. If one generator is down, it switches to the another generator, it switches to another generator. Yeah, so we need this type of solutions. We need this type of solutions. Who will provide these solutions, guys? Who will provide these solutions? Yeah,
AWS.
AWS. Yeah, AWS providing this backup, these solutions. But so before that, before AWS, so what are the concept? Who provided the solution before the AWS, Chetu? Before the AWS, so who provided the solution for this? Who provided the solution for this, guys? Guys, understood Lavanya and Chaitu,
Yes,
Venkat, Chaitu?
sir,
You
understand.
understood, right?
Yeah, got
So, for
it.
example, so this is our, so this is our two servers. You deployed so this is the app server, this is the app server. So this is the DB server, right? Yeah, in our, you are working as a AHA, right? You're working in the AHA OTT, right?
Yes, yes, sir.
AHA OTT. So AHA OTT, the web page, the website. So when you click the aha.com or something like it will open the web pages, right? Here you are providing the taking the here we are taking the subscription for 1 year, for 6 months, or for a quarterly, right? We can take this. So this is a website. So in this OTT, what are having? They're having the programs, right? There is a movies, there is a web series, whatever it there. So this is the website, but where you uploaded the where the where you uploaded the videos, as movies, everything. Where you uploaded movies in the
Servers.
database
Yeah.
database server. So this is the app server. This is the app server. So in the app server, you just purchasing the so this is the website for purchasing 1 year subscription, 6 month subscription, or 3 month subscription. But so once you purchase this subscription, so it will open the a web page for the movies, OTT, whatever it may be. If you search the Telugu movies, if you search the Telugu movies, it will open another page. In the Telugu movies, they will show the movies headings. Once you click that movie, it will open from the storage. So where that storage is available from the database, the storage is available in the database. Guys, understood? So understood. So this is the a website, and this is the website. So this is the a website. So this website is deployed on this application. So this website is deployed under this application. But in our home, if you keep these two servers in our we can kept it in our home, but we have a drawbacks because of there is no power backup and there is no internet backup. So who are providing the solutions? So who are providing the solution? So they are providing who? So yeah, we searched in the pro and in the internet. So we got the data center. Data center provides the data center provides the 19.999% uptime. Uptime. So uptime means they will provide the power backup, and the internet backup. Internet backup. Internet backup. But they are taking a charges for this. What data center? So data center is providing the a rental space for to keep our servers. What they are providing? They are providing the a rental space for to keep our servers in the data center. To keep our servers in the data center. Guys, understood?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So where we need to keep our servers? So we need to keep our servers in the data center. So what is that, guys? Data center.
Done.
Data center. A data center stores and store the application of the data. It compromises the component that includes switches, storage system, servers, routers, and security. So CTRL data center. Yeah, you see guys. So control S says as a largest rated 4 data center. Guys, so what this is? So this is the a data center. So this is the a data center. This is located in Hyderabad, guys. So towards to from high tech city from Mindspace to Forum Mall, right? There is a line. In that line, so there is a building, guys. So this is the building. So this is the Pioneer building. In this building, the data center is built up. So control S is the data center. So in the control S data center, what they are providing? They are providing the rental space to keep our servers. Rack in the data center, guys. So racks in the data center. You see, guys. So these are the racks. What they are providing? They are providing the racks and to keep our servers in this rack. So to keep our servers in this rack, guys. You see here. Yeah. So these are the servers, guys. You see. So this is the server power. So this is the server, right? We kept it in the data center. So they are providing the rack space. In the rack space, you can so this is the guys, you see. So this is the racks. They are providing the racks, and you can you can keep your servers in the data center, guys. So you can keep in the data center because of why we are keeping our servers in the data center. They are providing the power backup, and they are providing the internet backup. They are providing the internet backups. So that's the reason. So we are keeping our servers in the data center, guys. Guys, now you understood, right? Data center. So what is a
Yes.
data center? So what is a data center?
It will provide the continuous backup, power backup, and internet backup, which we can store our code.
Yes, yes. Guys, tell me, Lavanya, what is data center? Chetu, Lavanya, Venkat.
Data center is providing the power backup and internet backup.
Okay, very good. Lavanya?
Yeah, during fluctuations time, we can back up the power and internet by using data center.
Okay, very good. So data center means DC, guys. DT provides the rental space for to keep our servers keep our servers, and they are providing they are providing power they are providing the power backup and the internet backup. That is nothing but they are providing the uptime. Uptime is nothing but a power backup and internet backup. They are providing uptime 99.99%. So 99 provides. Guys, tell me what is the DC? Now you guys can tell me. Read this. What is data center? Guys?
Data center provides the rental space
Hmm.
to keep our
To
servers
keep our
running.
server, they are
Hmm.
providing
And
uptime.
99.999%.
99%. Yeah.
So that's the reason. So we are keeping our servers in the data center. Data center. Guys, now you understood?
yeah,
Yes.
Yeah. So these are the servers. So we are keeping our servers in the data center, guys. We're keeping our servers in the data center. Guys, now you understood. So what is data center and what is app server? What is DB server? So why we are keeping our servers in the data center? So data center. Now you understood. Now you understood, right, guys?
Yes. Yes.
So
yeah.
tomorrow we will discuss about the environments, guys. What it is? Environments. So what are the environments are there, right, guys? So what are the environments? There are two types of environments, production and non-production. So production and non-production. So before this, guys, So this is a bike. This is a bike, guys. What this is, for example, guys. So this is not looks. This is not looks like a bike, but you guys can assume this is a bike, guys. Okay. So yeah, this bike. So where you are buying this bike, guys?
Sure.
In the
Corresponding show.
showroom, right? So you are buying a bike in the showroom. So before coming to the showroom, before coming to the showroom, so what are the activities done? What are the activities are done?
Production and transportation.
Sorry,
Bike
production.
production and transportation.
Yeah, production and transportation. Very good. So for the production, for the production. So this is yeah. Uh, so before that, first we need to develop the bikes. We need to develop the or we need to production. We need to do the production, right? First we need to develop the bike, right? So development stage. In the development stage, so how it gonna looks like? For example, we need a two wheels, we need a handle, something like a seat, gears. So they are designing and developing. So this is the phase of a design and design and development phase. So once it is designed, so we need to validate. So something like everything is okay or not. So how it will be validated, tested in the testing stage, right? Testing stage. In the testing stage, so what they gonna test, something like how many kilometers is coming per, how many kilometers are putting for 1 liter. So something like they are providing the, they are assuring the 100 kilometers per kilometer. So they will test it. So the bike, so the if the brakes are working fine or not, if the accelerator is working fine or not, the wheels are going smoothly or not, the seat, everything they will be in testing stage. So before coming to the, so this is a live, right? Live or a production. So live are a production environment, live environment are a production environment. So before coming to the showroom, what they're gonna do, they can design and develop, then test it, and then finally send it to the showrooms. Then finally send it to the showrooms. From here, the end user will buy this bike from the showroom. So before buying, it will be tested, it will be developed, it will be tested, it will be developed. So this testing and development will be done in the company only, done in the company, right? Done in the company people. So this is the company people are developing and testing this. This is the company. So something like so they design the bike, and that when the testing time, it will be having a issue. So is there any impacting, guys? Is there an impacting? So there is no impact because of it is in still and under testing stage, and it is in the only the company, in the company. But after showroom, after getting the showroom, and one guy is bought this bike, and suddenly he has a issue. Suddenly he has a issue in this bike. So if in the company, it will be crashes, there is no worries about it. There is no worries about, because of this is not at send it to the showroom. So who is used to the end user? in the showroom, end user is using this. End user means ours using is bike. So before buying the bike, it already tested and designed. So we don't accept the failures, because of it's already tested in the non-production environment, tested in the company environment, non-prod environment. The development and testing is nothing but a non-production environment. The showroom is nothing but a production environment. The showroom is nothing but a production environment. Same like you, as we deployed application and we keep it in the home. So this is the production environment. The end users are every day creating their own accounts. After some time, so it crashes. It started crashing. The people are hesitating and removing their account. The same way, so if something goes wrong on the production, once we buy the product, it is having some issue. There is a reputation. So there is a reputation failure. There is a failure from the company. So before that only they will validate each and everything, and they will send it to the showroom. They will send it to the showroom. So this is nothing but a production environment. This is nothing but a non-production environment. If something goes on the production environment, definitely there will be a impact. There will be a business impact, right? If business impact is there, definitely there will be a revenue impact. There will be a revenue impact, guys. If something goes wrong, the failures of the we 10 people are bought this bike, and everyone is complaining about the, so my bike is not working well, the kilometers are it will go 15 only 50 kilometers per liter. So they are giving the some feedback, bad feedback. So then the people are so the people might be impacting, the company might be impacting, these bikes will not sell, right? If it is a failure, it will not sell. So once it will sell, definitely there will be business impact, revenue impacted. So that's the reason. So they are primarily focused on the design part and testing part. So then it will send it to the production environment. So the same like as a application website also. First they will test it in the development environment, then QA environment. Finally, so we are deploying in the a production environment. So we have a two environments, guys, non-production and production. So non-production having the development and testing stage is the non-production. Uh, the production is nothing but a live, guys, who are using this application. That is the production environment. Guys, now you understood. So we need a 6 servers. We need a 6 servers for to deploy our application. So these two environments is development environment and the testing environment. The and we will deploy, we will verify it and we will test it in the QA environment. Then finally we deploy it in the production environment. So guys, how many environments we need?
Two environments.
How many?
Two environments for development and testing.
Okay. So 2 environments. What are those?
Development and production and non-production.
Very good. Production and non-production. So production and non-production environment. In the production, we have a testing and the development environment. So here also, so we have a two environments. So one is production and one is non-production. In the non-production, we have a development environment. We have a testing environment. We have a testing environment. So we will deploy our application in the development environment, testing environment, then production environment. Guys, understood?
Yeah, good.
So these are the, so what is data center or what are the environments? So what are the environments? So I will discuss from tomorrow, guys. So the environments we'll discuss tomorrow from our application. How we can create the environments. What are the environments are there? What are the important of what are the impact in the impact in the business, revenue, everything. We'll show it on the tomorrow, guys. Okay.
Okay, bro.
Thank you, guys.
Thank you.
Thank you.